This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Christy Imperio. Brand new Craftsman in Blaine most desired neighborhood, which is now complete. This 4-bedroom 3 full bath has lots of room, excellent floor plan with lots of natural light. The front family room has lots of windows with natural gas fireplace. The great room is across from the kitchen with a nice open feeling. Complete with full appliance package with quartz counters throughout. Very large 2-car garage, on-demand hot water, so many nice qualities. This home sits at the top of the neighborhood, it is fully landscaped. Get in today and take a look, you will love it. For more information, review the details below.